All right, what's up, y'all? So we've got this 88 Suburban that is actually my personal vehicle, just picked up, and we're going to try to bring this old factory original paint back to life. So this is an 88 GMC Suburban. Brent here has already washed this thing. It was grimy, nasty, just had been sitting out for a long time, and he took yesterday and with our Griot's Garage car wash and a lot of elbow grease, got this thing cleaned off, got the surface decontaminated, so that we should be ready to polish this thing up and make it look pretty again, as pretty as we can. So as you can see, these are the tools we're going to use today. We've got our Griot's Garage G21 polisher. So that G21 means it's got a 21 millimeter throw, so it does have quite a bit of cutting action. You can see here, this is some pretty good stuff. We've used it a little bit. It's a newer product from Griot's Garage, but it's a ceramic all-in-one wax. So we're going to try this out. It should work well. If it doesn't have enough cut, we'll let you know. We may go back to like the fast correcting cream. But the great thing about this is it is what it says. It's all-in-one. So it has some mild abrasive in it so that it will actually cut and polish, but it also has the ceramic protection. So one step, we like that a lot. It takes a lot of labor out of it. It still does a really good job. You can see here we've got our bag. We have some rags that we'll finish buffing with. This taper is really nice. So this is also from Griot's Garage. It's flexible. It's not too awful sticky, but we can use it to tape up around emblems and moldings, mirrors and stuff like that. So that places and things that we don't want to get the compound or cream in, we can use that to kind of tape that up, and also helps to staying off of those parts and pieces that we don't want to hit with a buffer and a pad, right? So, but yeah, Brent here is going to get started. Again, he's done all the cleaning on this so far, and he's going to do all the work on getting this buffer going and ready to use and get this Suburban cleaned up and looking really good. So we're excited to see what this looks like. You got anything? You excited about this? What do you think it's going to look like when you're done?
Yeah, I think it'll look a lot better. I think we'll get some cut out of it, get a little bit more polish out of it. I think, considering from where we're starting at, I think we'll get a lot more paint protection and life out of it, and it'll look a lot better.
Yeah, I'm excited to see the transformation on this thing. I'm sure that you're going to get some before and after of this so we can show everybody. But Griot's Garage, we've used a lot of their products, and we've had really good luck out of pretty much all of them. And this is another just great product that they come out with recently. Check it out. I use it on my boat. We've used it on like our daily drivers. I mean, just about anything. But it's the ceramic aspect that is become so prominent here as of late, right past 5 or so years. Is really a great protection over just a Carnauba based wax. So excited to use that, and this is a lot of real estate here. Brent's going to be busy for a little while just working on this thing because it's going to take a lot of elbow grease again, but excited to see the outcome. Check out what he does with it.
We got it polished up using some of our Griot's buffing products. So the first one that we started with for the main body of the car was the ceramic all-in-one. I really like this product. It works really good as a one-step polish and protectant to kind of, if you're starting from, no matter where you're starting from with your paint, it can really bring back a lot of the shine, and you get the bonus of it being waxed at the same time. So that's what we did for the entire body of the car, and it really brought back a lot of shine in the old paint. Yeah, so our ceramic all-in-one, we get a lot of that ceramic protection, which everybody really likes. You can probably see the slickness of the bottle sliding off the hood, and over here you can see no slide. The paint is really beat up over here. For the hood, we did have to go in with this fast correcting cream. That really got out some of the deeper imperfections in the paint and really helped it come back to life a little bit better and get that gloss as good as we could get it without going crazy on the paint. This stuff works really well to kind of cut a little bit quicker and get through a little bit of the more grime that's still left on even after washing. So that step really helped with the harder parts of the paint job we were working through.